All right, y'all, so this is Tina, my friend Tina. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, she's going to taste these breads and tell us all about them, which one she likes the best. See,
All
she
right.
kind of knows which ones the guys like because
Yeah.
she watched, but that's okay.
All right, so this is one.
Yep.
As I'm losing some of the stuff on it.
And that was the one that was the least favorite for the guys.
Yep.
Interestingly enough, it was the least favorite for Rob, too.
So I'm going to finish this one in a minute.
Yep. Just grab yourself a plate.
All right, so that's one.
Mm-hmm.
This one's two. So far, this is the least favorite.
Yep.
God, all these pieces are huge. And so far, this was the favorite for the guys.
Mm-hmm.
That one's definitely good. So I would say 3, 4, 2, 1.
That's exactly what I picked. 3, 4, 2, 1. Thank you, Tina. Thanks for playing.
Thank you.